My people, una welcome back to DIY farm. So na organic medication I wan prepare for my bed. So that one so na ginger be that, na good antibiotic. That one so na garlic, onions be that. The one wey I hold there for hand na turmeric, na im be that. And then this last one I pack na my own dry pepper. This na wetin I need to carry do my organic medication. That one na the water wey I wan use wash dem be that. And my blender or mortar, me na mortar I dey use, I never get blender now. So na the organic material when I wan use do my medication. Na antibiotics I wan do, but you fit still use them for antiviral drugs. Dem dey good for antiviral drug, especially the garlic, the ginger, the turmeric and the pepper. So before you go do am, you need prepare your things. You need wash the organic ingredients. After you wash them for water, so dey see as I dey do am so. Then after that, you go come put am for your blender, or if you no get blender, you fit use mortar as you dey see am so. Na wash I dey wash them so. After that, you go come pound them. After you don pound them, or you go come put am for the container when you go store them. So na wetin I dey do so. So na washing I dey wash them so. I just put small quantity of them because na just for small beds I wan use them for. So watch how I dey do am till the end. Abeg no forget to subscribe to DIY farm. No still forget to subscribe to my English channel, Vitex Farm. So do well to watch the video till the end. You go learn plenty things. So now I don put am for my mortar. Now to dey pound them down. Pound them now. Na wetin I wan do so now. Okay. Na some of them wey I dey wash. Yeah. Na so. So if na blender you dey use, you fit blend your own. But me na pound, I no get blender. So after I don pound am finish, I don put am for the container. Na im dey green so for the container. I don ferment am like for some days. Then now na to put am for their water carry serve dem. Na wetin I wan do so. Just put 1 cup. That small cup, just put 1 or half, then you put am for that water for them. This organic medication so, e go fit kill antiviral, e dey fit kill sickness when bacteria dey cause, such as coryza, cough or any other sickness. So na good medication be that. Na good organic medication be that. E good make you use this step. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.